Hi, I'm Nancy Doherty, a chemistry professor at Tri-C West. This short video will introduce you to CHEM1010 and provide advice and guidance on what it takes to be successful in the course. While we may not physically be on campus working together in the class and lab, the practical advice and study tips you're about to hear from faculty and students are still important in the online environment.
CHEM1010, which is titled Introduction to Inorganic Chemistry, really lays the foundation for students in thinking about our world from a chemical perspective.
The most surprising things about this course was how much chemistry relates to everyday life.
What surprised me most was probably how much algebra, or I should just say math in general, is involved in chemistry.
When I'm teaching Chem1010, the biggest thing I want my students to do is to keep up with the material. I expect them to work on it on a regular basis, to attend class, to come to laboratory meetings, to use the online tools that I provide them.
We assume that they don't have any background in chemistry, or that they have a very little background in chemistry, because all the topics we are going to begin with them at ground level.
You have to be willing to show up, put in the effort, make sure you're paying attention, but then you also want to make sure you're studying outside of class, so then you retain the information that you learn inside. And that what's best for me is probably studying about like 20 to 40 minutes every single day, making sure you're looking over the information that you learned in class, and then also looking ahead to maybe like the lesson plan tomorrow, so then you have an idea of what you're going to learn, and then if you have any questions, you can go ahead and just ask them in class.
To look for other people in the class so they can study in groups.
To make your own study guides, for sure, that helps you retain the information a lot better. And I would also say don't cram.
I would definitely say flashcards or a study guide.
Never be afraid to ask questions about this course. You could take advantage of the instructor office hours. Take it seriously.
You can enhance your online course experience by forming virtual study groups with your classmates. Even though you're not meeting face-to-face for class, there are technology options that can make this an easy and fun way to connect with your online classmates. As a Tri-C student, you have a free WebEx account that you can use to host virtual study sessions. You can also use the same Zoom or Google Meet apps that you're using to meet with friends and family to meet with your virtual study group.